Good morning, welcome to the channel Retired Don't Give Up. Today I'm going to do another video on basic maintenance upkeep of the house. Today I'm going to install a fan. Now, as you see, this is our window. We're in the kitchen right now, and here's our cooking area. And of course, I like to enjoy a steak, and I have a very good frying pan, and I cook my steak here. Unfortunately, there's no fan to remove any smoke. If there's no wind, it pretty much filters outside. But if there's any breeze coming this way, well, it has a tendency to fill the kitchen up with smoke, and that's not really a good thing for everyone else. So we're going to put this 16-inch wall fan right up there, and it will blow straight out there. And of course, being an oscillating fan, it can be set on oscillating and cool the room, because the ladies like to sit down here, and of course they have their supper here. All right, let's do the unpacking. Some assembly required. Oh, it's gray. I thought it would be white, but it's gray. Gray. I thought it was white, but apparently it's gray. Well, there you go. I should have known by reading that it was gray. That's okay. So, what I want to know, I'm not. What we have. Wow. So we have this here. So that's all we put against the wall. That's all we put against the wall. It goes up against that and screws into there. That's pretty straightforward. So we're going to put the plate on the wall. I'm thinking we could probably use this as the level. Down too low. Oh no, we can't because of the fan. Ooh. Tape measure. We don't want the fan to hit the ceiling, and of course that's 11 inches. So that might create a bit of a concern. So maybe we will be doing that, which means it's going to go down onto the glass. Essentially there. Well, that's 10 inches. So, I mean, not very often are we going to have the fan shooting straight across, but the idea, of course, is for the fan to push the smoke out the window. So if we have there, a little pencil mark there, give this to my helper. So there, and there. So we'll do that now, and that's Okay, good, good. Now, other one, other side. Okay, and we'll change it to, no, stay, you're doing just great. Now we change it to hammer, try it again. Excellent, excellent. No, stay. You're doing good. You're good. He's doing good. So let's switch it to the next size, to the final size. Here comes Mama to supervise, and there you go. You're doing great. Okay, one down. We learn by doing, and he just did a really good job. So we're gonna see, oh yeah, that's gonna be just the right size. Well, before we get too quick in there, let's make sure all the dust is out. Okay. Go. Boom. So, just a little tap. You gotta be careful because if you don't, they can bend and then they're no good. Well, there we go. So there's that. These are Phillips screws. Everywhere is Phillips screws. I blame the Americans for that because in Canada, we have a Robinson screw that is a square screw. These are Phillips screws, and part of the problem with that, of course, is they can strip very, very easily. So, but and here we go. And that is how hard that was. There we go. Perfect. So that comes down like that. Gonna have to climb up and get a better look. There we go. And pretty straightforward stuff. That's good. That's good. All right. You know, when you have someone also skilled to help you, sometimes language is certainly important, but you know what? It's good if you have a basic understanding. So yeah, you're gonna say, did you read the instructions? No. So there's two holes there. So that would go there like that, and this would go on like that. that worked really well. There we go. Okay, now the fan. Perfect. Aha. Ah. Sometimes you get ahead of yourself and you realize fans work a certain way and the screws are backwards. So here we go, got that on. And now, this doesn't really matter. That clicks around there like that. And that clicks over there like that. And I believe. And there we go. Wow, that was hard. The beauty is we have a plug here that's not being used. So we could just pull this down and we could just plug it in. Speed. And that would go straight across, blow everything out, and we want it to swing, it'll swing. Just in case I get some comments that my eyes are a little crooked, I guess we better straighten this out. So, there we go. Being retired, you don't want to have too big a project, so it might take longer than, you know, an hour or whatever. And it helps to have a stepson who's able to drill straight, and I thank him for that. Until next time, bye for now, and remember, don't give up.